Welcome viewers. In this video we will see the Boolean algebra. In that Boolean algebra terminology. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. First we'll see what is Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra is a mathematical system that defines a series of logical operations, that is AND operation, OR operation and NOT operation, performed on set of variables ABC. Variable is nothing but ABC. When stated in this form, the expression is called the Boolean equation or switching equation. So the Boolean algebra means we are going to perform the logical operation AND, OR and NOT operation for a variable set of variables ABC. In that the expression is available. That expression is called a Boolean equation or switching equation. In this we will see the what are the terminologies available in this Boolean algebra. Right. The first one is the variable. The first term is the variable. The symbol which represent or arbitrary element of a Boolean algebra is called is known as variable. The name itself, variable, means a variable. It will vary, depends upon the expression, the value will vary. That is called a variable. The symbol which represent an arbitrary element of an algebra is called an variable. Then variable mean another term is the constant. Second one is constant. Variable means vary with the expression. Constant mean it will not vary. Always it is constant. For example, in expression y equal to a plus 1, a is the variable. A value may be any value, but 1 is always, it will be 1. It will not change. So this 1 is called a constant. The constant term may be a 0 or 1, right? So the constant means y equal to a plus 1 means a is the variable, 1 is the constant, right? So we have two terms, variable and constant. Constant will not vary in the throughout the expression. The variable will vary, depends upon the expression. The third one is the complement. One of the important term in the is the complement. What is complement? The complement of a variable is represented by a bar over the letter. This a equal to 1 means a bar. This complement is nothing but a bar. What will happen to while taking the complement? If a equal to 1 means a bar will be 0, right? It is 1 is changed to 0 or 0 is changed to 1. While taking complement, 1 becomes 0, 0 becomes 1. It is represented by 1 bar over the letter a bar. This is called a complement, right? So while taking complement, what will happen? If the value is 1, it will change to 0. The value is 0, it will change to 1. Then literal. What is the literal? Each occurrence of a variable in a Boolean function, either in complemented or uncomplemented form, is called a literal. Literal means the terms available. For example, ABC available, 3 variables available means this ABC is called a literals. It may be available in the complemented form or uncomplemented form. So this is complemented, uncomplemented. This one complemented form. So the ABC, for example, ABC available in that entire expression either in complemented or uncomplemented form. Now we'll go to the next term. Boolean function. The next term is Boolean function. What is Boolean function? Boolean expressions are constructed by connecting Boolean constants and variables, which the Boolean operation. These Boolean expressions are known as the Boolean formula. So we will already discuss constant and variable. Using constant and variable, the expressions are framed in order to perform the Boolean operation. So these Boolean expressions are known as a Boolean formula, contain constant and variables. Then the next one is the axiomatic definition of a Boolean algebra. So the postulates of a mathematical system forms the basic assumption from which it is possible to deduce the theorems, right? So we have the postulates are available in a mathematical system. So basic on the assumption, it is possible to deduce the theorems, law and properties of the system. So we can frame the theorem. In order to simplify this Boolean function, Boolean expression, we can frame the theorem, law and properties of the system. So Boolean algebra is formulated by a defined set of elements together with two binary operation, that is plus and dot, addition and multiplication. Addition is represented by plus, multiplication represented by dot, provided that they given postulates are satisfied. Right. So from the basic assumption we can frame the theorem, law and properties in order to simplify the Boolean algebra. Right. So together we have two binary operations are available in this law, theorem and properties. Two binary operations, that is, one is addition and multiplication, plus and dot, that should satisfy the postulates or should be satisfied. Right. So in this video we discuss about the what is Boolean algebra and what are the basic terminology of the Boolean algebra, that is constant, variable, complement, literal, Boolean function and definitions, that is theorem, law and properties. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.